Hello everyone, it's Jim from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen and I am here to cook something for supper tonight. And for tonight's supper, I am going to be utilizing something new I got. But first I have to tell you all about my friend Melinda. My friend Melinda has an amazing channel and her channel is called Unboxing Betty. I don't know how I discovered this channel, but I did because I guess it's vintage recipes. But it is one phenomenal channel and it has a really cool concept. Basically, Melinda owns this box. It's called the Betty Crocker Recipe Card Library and it's from 1971. And it's a whole recipe card library of all these recipes. Well, her whole channel is only focused on cooking every recipe in this box. Isn't that a cool channel? Well, I got so excited about hearing about this box that I had to go to eBay and buy myself one of these recipe card boxes, which I did, and I thought I'm definitely gonna have to cook one of these things or a few of these items and then talk all about Melinda's channel, Unboxing Betty, it's called. Write it down. So I went in here and I thought, oh, I love this category called budget casseroles. I'm a casserole fan. And I dug in the budget casserole area and I just picked one at random. And I picked this one. It's called pizza potatoes. So today I'm making pizza potatoes. I'll show you how I do it. In a pan, I'm boiling up some diced tomatoes and 1.5 cups of water, as well as some oregano. Grab a baking dish and a box of scalloped potatoes because we're gonna put those in the baking dish as well as the seasoning packet that it comes with. I'm gonna reach in and pull a random recipe, just for fun. Would you try this? Princess Party Cake. Love it. I'm pouring these potatoes on top and mixing it all together. Cover it in pepperonis and mozzarella cheese. Maybe a couple more pepperoni. Now you just bake it in a 400-degree oven, uncovered, for about 30 to 35 minutes, and it should come out looking like this. Wow. It does look pretty great to me. I am very happy with the result. I just love this Betty Crocker box. Thanks, Betty.
You're so welcome.
I love ya. Make sure to check out Unboxing Betty, and thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Tastes great. Why was the pizzeria desperate for business? It needed the dough.